Today you will come to know the difference between line of control and ceasefire line. Actually, we are using social media. The lot of informations are in our hand, but we are not getting the benefit. We are wasting our time by watching irrelevant things, scrolling extra things, and just wasting the time. I think that we should make a good use of social media, and we should enhance our knowledge about different things. You can say that general knowledge, a little bit knowledge about each and everything is necessary to live a happy life, to discuss in ceremonies, because when you are in different kind of people, they discuss different kind of things, and if you don't know even petty about other things, then it will not be good for you. So in present era, the world is the global village and information are in your hand. But if you are not making the good use of informations, or you are not enhancing your information capability, then I think that this is bad for you. So today I will tell you about the difference between line of control and ceasefire line. Actually, in the previous era, I also did not know about this. So I searched through social media, through different platforms, and I come to know the actual meaning of this thing, the difference of these two things. So difference is, line of control is referred the permanent border between two countries. First of all, understand what is line of control. Line of control is referred as the permanent border between two countries, while ceasefire line is referred temporary demarcation that can be broken at any time. Ceasefire line is temporarily demarcation between two countries or two people or two areas that can be broken at any time. So I think that you have understood whatever I want to make you understand. Once again, line of control is referred as a permanent border between two countries, while ceasefire line is a temporary demarcation that can be broken at any time. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you.